near to krom ha ena nansia President Mahama ka say asma President Mahama kan ya say aban we say I will say be investigations into the all African games into all African games no committee na eti no ediom report come President Mahama no or share report no sika actually Ghana no doso into odama auditor general say onye forensic audits and one ajo Mahama ni na aban kan when you be say sana during all African games no you're spending $4.5 million on game management ubi best year tags yeah the tag asen will come now time I buy me cancer same way so we are part of the local organizing committee and I say we ni pebia when say wundi ska you are not supposed to be worried. All that you have to do is that you sit back and you laugh because you know, say, you have not taken a dime. And you say, when they say forensic audit, the government say, be a forensic audit into how the money was spent. So it means to say, every money that was taken out when it comes to this event and also that event now, the forensic audit will have to follow the money and see exactly what the money was used for. It is a ujisika. Na se sasika na oji eno. You are not supposed to be talking to so much. You are supposed to be like, you know what, nothing is wrong. I've done my job. Now, I'm going to tell Kweku Yeboah, the day na yeka say, ye forensic audit. Ewo, African, all African games, you know. On that you, they be oti radio so.
Peace, 104.3. Yo. There be a serious issue. Nam person me address issue be.
There no.
Who say, Omampeni issue statement say 13th African Games near forensic audit. Na me pese me statement be on it. And I go for friend, but I couldn't attend to them because na me adio baby. Yeah, first of all, na me kase esi ebo mampeni abaso say why na adwin say obe protect public purse. Me have always said this say corruption any political color into be it OMPP, OCPP, ONDCO. I feel that she will lead our dream on mine one. So mine see kabedu botoma as what you know into it's a good thing. Secondly, and your first time ya tournament we are Omampenia director say yenye hwehwemu obekai can 2000 the later the cook among so much be conflict be
Brazil Brazil
and exactly even under the same President Mahama. It's a good cause. Na ade ba ko anana me pese me chire ni say. In fact, me ko social media me to me galaya, you know why?
Tell me.
Say games management system na ye games no. Say a media related. Into the contract sum na ministry needed to ja $100 million no. Ghana for binu madwin you say once Kweku Yeboah no ye head of media no chese me na me sign our contract no. Nana and you go and kwasi achoro nkran where is the $4 million when I'm saying me
omo bisaw
ai na me $4 million na mdas you obi adwuma senga mambo mrai and Nana I want to set the record straight to say contract ye di games ni na kwam Nana say contract ni color ye blue say ye green say ye yellow me Kweku Yeboah man for many hu bi da
oh yeah sure
oh yes in fact even the infrastructure contract no cry this stadium no cry no abani award the ansa na ye TLOC no because ebia na abani feel say ohia time to build the infrastructure until Nana contract from Miami Media a contractor omodi GSI games management system through catering transport whatever say contract in ye blue say ye green man for many who be that
but say one now you head of the media no
enti ideally obi abe azumi sa but nyankopon o hata sori e me dance ni say contract o musa ye no so mu ko negotiate yes nipa no so obeji 1 cedi 20 so mra 2 cedi so starting free 50 pesos I was not involved in the negotiation neither did I see a copy of any of the contract I had African Games.
One chess solid.
Solid, yes, sir. And we are impressed. One consign now, Gina, and Kofone G and so I sign. Now the paper and different. But I'm talking about major contract for games.
Contract for media and publicity. No?
Exactly. Even peace 104.
You better was so me and Yadibua. Oh, we are now here. We mommy are cromful. On says your money from phone. On says your mouth from phone. You say all African games, you be audit, forensic audits. On to me na. Wakodi achenchina share tibia share. Omo ti radio so no almost 3 nipa. Omo twitwi nipa. Omo de omo tribe. Edi dinko for them indirectly. So we stayed in the casa na all static casa no. Oh, before President Mahama Basso say wama a year the Juma Diwi e Baswa ye be forensic audit. Quick and okofa Brazil saga by. Oh, Brazil say they see Brazil or chuma say oh Brazil time no Mahama time no Brazil see no nipe bi diska inti yesu diska no problem. Inti won be starting the casa me chira Asante adwene. Inti won say or static casa no yet but mampenyi Mahama ye born abaso that is fine. Say president there investigation since I did with the entire Mekai Krampo say Brazil. He wants to draw your attention. He wants to draw the attention of the MPP communicators. Say, oh, na say Brazil saga no ba no, and no kramo ye audit no, na wan ye chi no, na de na ye betata omo ne. Because in Mrebi assembly see of Brazil no, ebia na esi ne, until he's sending a code to MPP for followers no. And sebio ye nuanoma Asante for no say mumni ba ko ne ye bechi mi no, enti mon kai me. Mon starting ye dede say Mahama entumi emfa all African games enchime. Na Brazil time no Brazil saga ne ba no near wa ha ya nchi obia nti he started sending the red flag and calling a SOS call from the beginning. Now okasa no o say game management system no a media related yes forensic audit ne be ye since president ka say be forensic audit obiambo udin obianka say asimesi wa wie sika enya wonkwa na wo ye African games no yes be ye akwa way from the day I mentioned media a forensic audit on that you ne mama na ye shine more ne ni matwe enti o kasa no say oh oboso ka che Ghana for say contract na ye sign ye na ono ye the head of media this the whole event no also one for the new hey or say all African games now he was in charge of the media contract now almost signing you know on department on us media na or head you know contract no signing and we who be that one for the new kosia ehu. How can you enter a plane and tell me say unkuta tickets and a way to my body plane no and you tell yourself say you have not committed a crime? We bura commercial flight mo kutuka ukuta paper na odi name one fan chere any immigration officer one fan chere any custom officer udi ni name na de kotena plane kotena first class. It's either you are a terrorist or one kasa no udi boni a wo pesa wo kodi enya kransa wutimi e fine na wo kofu plane you will be asking the people you are going through on fa hun siesie for you to head all African games media and you tell me you don't know your job description. Because let me tell you, when you are signing a contract you chere ejuma or somewhere as a media department dia osamo ye ene dia ni samo ye dia mo ya efa kwanu ene dia mo ya emfa kwanu nyoma bia mo ho kwan samo ye ene nyoma bia mo ni ho kwan samo ye. That is why you are the head of the media. Into obia or shawasi biano, they need to be taking instructions from you. Into as the head of the media, obi $2 million say or the cock abubulushaba. What does the contract you are working within say? Does it allow you to look on for the person to take the $2 million away? Or the contract tells you that nobody should have access to the money that has been given to the media department. So you can't tell me, say, you took such a big job without seeing any documentation. And I say, if you didn't see any documentation, were you given an appointment letter and were you given a salary? Did they show you a document that this is how much you are going to be paid? But we didn't show you what kind of job you are going to do. Tieno. Also on who contract biya. But can you show us your appointment letter as the head of the media and how much you were going to be paid and what kind of job you were going to do? Did they give you an appointment letter? You go to jail. Some catch them be 8 years. Namuti TV so did matem indirectly. Mo cheche and I ubedem. Whoa, ubedem. Come and publish your appointment letter, your role, your job description, and how much they were paying you for the All African Games. How much were you paid? If you didn't see a contract, did they give you an appointment letter or you were working for free? Ubedem. Ana mumuji say Jimmy Ong. Now, okasanana kusie na ono social hono ka say, hey, na usiwe hu bibia hu contractor na wanje sole. Unim sole. Technically, a jargon you use for journalists or much bribe a sole. Whatever money you take for covering an event, you have taken bribe. Remember Mundada says sole is for transportation. No. Over America, you sole. When you are sent to cover a news or any event, that media house you work with, they need to provide transportation. They need to make sure you don't get influenced by wherever you are going, especially when you're covering an event. Send your report will be there, it will be unbiased. Who said out there what was now one just solid. Also says solid there impress. It is a impress in $100 million. Majidi mewa. Na mure says I impress soleno a Ghana sika. And can you tell us who took Solly and how much they took and how much you? And I say, "Ura piece of 20 and from the way you are talking, it means say Sikagu bo obag okamu and a radio station as well as not saying now I'm energy 10,000 Ghana. They now we no. Do you have documentations to prove it says Solena Utia? It actually did the job it had to do. And you can't tell me, say, you have money sitting in your car and you are giving it out in the name, say, come and cover our event. No, that is why a forensic audit is being done. We are chasing the money and what every single money did. Did it benefit us or some of you guys stole the money? And then the forensic audit naba. And when it says Sole a impressor, impress in free neba, impress a nipa, a sika, and a watamegu kato. And now the amount nyonko for enti say solene $2 million a dear Jumana solene ye who gave the authority for that money to be used as solid. And I say the media department omucha $2 million to us say facheche. Now mommy and sanko tie the second part of the nkwasi asem no
for publicity mpo. For instance, Peace FM me ba mausi any father am me 40% discount. But the discounts can sign call back on my LOC at the document account. Obi asen ko bofedi because so we more and based on that nyama 40%. 40% of 100,000 say about 40,000.
40,000.
I return the money. Intimities will be cause me crutches are there because me baby am free. Me baby am free. Me ma me no we hia nipa ba krono de wan vanity. Timi so mo twotwo sam kwasi asem na me hi manga na mboa.
Enkan say enkwata.
No, then I say one now the two be so. Where is the $4 million? Where is the
Kweku public space?
Huh?
A public space.
Public space will be the chronotos and young questions.
Kweku and Canasa.
A canasa.
Canasa.
Can they awaken?
There be and Canasa.
They will be allergic chrono on you. Not some young crying young questions. And young questions. A day. And young questions. Okay, but for say a sebi and questions. Indeed, honestly, woman is Adian. Besides, yeah. Nana, in as much as figures near Babon, ABR people have doubt. We should also be fair in dealing with some of the people. I've heard a lot of people on radio and TV. Whenever they mention games management, they said Boapayo say you didn't know much that had they send you 4 million dollars. Who on this earth and our international games are Boakye games management system are they send you Nana international games, be it Olympic Games, African Cup, whatever. Your companies are almost specialization is they provide games management system to host games. Into accreditation, no, one product of games management system. Games management system, no. One, athlete and officials on mobile tournament, no. On biometric data, now they are supposed to provide it for immigration. No man can say okay, na kase otumiri kama Rwanda na onye security threat or Ghana games ni bi timu manimra. Ombe say adwuma no. Website a be setting up no. Ombe ma link all the resources be pay games ni mu na instantly games management system no would have to feed the website. TV production ombe ye no graphics ni bibia games management system no na de be ma. The accreditation they are supposed to provide you is supposed to have a chip embedded. It's supposed to be a chip embedded accreditation. Athlete, no. So okoni demo sa accreditation e dan kom e no de bebie. Oko kitchen e no de bebie. It goes beyond paper. You konu tanko print ya ba ko ye 1 cedi. In as much as the figures in as much as the figures might be outrageous, and America says, I can't have money. We should also be fair, say, games management system does not only involve accreditation, you printing or
New Town.
Exactly.
So suddenly, Obe explaining game management system actually suddenly, but he knows nothing about the contract. You don't know anything about the contract, but you know what game management system is. So who paid for those things that is entailed in the game management system? It is the money that we are chasing. You as the head of media, game management system, show us, how much budget was given to you? Because I don't think that you being the head of the media, you were not given any budget. You were given some money. Now you are telling us that there's something called game management system. And you are telling us that about biodata. You're telling us about information, customs, we get it. So if you know game management systems, then it means a budget was given to you to make sure the game management system at the end of the day, it works. So the question we are asking you as the head of media, were you given a budget to take care of game management system? And I say now we need. Now, say I'm out a whole budget to handle the game management system, which has everything in it. Ayɛka say, accreditation quite 4.5 million also on TSC. Which parts of you as you being the head of media, which part were you given a budget? Because you have been able to break down game management to us. You are talking about biodata, you're talking about accreditation, you're talking about a website. Were you given a budget for a specific thing? How did you get money to work? The money that was given to you, now to become radio station, where did it come from? How much were you given? And I solicit can go the amount. Now that solicit amount, which management system did it fall under? Game management system. It entails this. So now you're head of media. Into head of media, you're more budget kesiye. No. Now, whatever you did inside the game management system, were you given some budget to take care of something? And I said no. Into you now you're in your mouth kebia. Kweku Yeboah. You join Agrada. I'm telling you. Obe joining Agrada. Contracting the unim. But unim what game management is. So at the end of the game management, they know woman then to me juma. Yama kapra nye juma bia. All that we are doing is we are following the money. The money that was given to you, did you use it for what it has to be done, used for? That's all. ene ne mu dede bebrebe akotena peace for me didi edi obi atam so obi agimi obi obi criticize obi aye akwase we sa ne kasa mona na moto odi atam say at radio so edi kwas nkofo atam and the wo betena radio so wabasa se eye wabasa se buta handle buta ye so mu no what is a buta wabasa se buta handle abetena say game management system obedada ye now you say yen kwara obeto chese juma no yen yejauka ya ma osike bia fa ejuma wa so aka che say when it comes to solid sika gu ka to utum the sika be physical cash ko baby na 100,000 also tia you end up paying 40,000 not the 60,000 ko when the mouse our budget no we view ubedemo my lord lawyer Nkutagine please my lord I am sorry my lord ode peace fm obi ayekwasia obi agimi yentiase bibisha bebufuo media Ghana fo agimi ode sad na wadem ubedem mamenchiro accreditation almost spending 4.5 million was let me show you the accreditation Kweku Yeboah and in the group no spending 4.5 million dollars they be near ubedem wo wode tena hona ye ohun anwa na tena hoye we comedian ubedem simple kura ore be ho unim ohun ubedem a ore obebo nsem ye kaka na obedi atam ye jimi ubuofu wabasa sanchene boto ubuofu ubedem a ore be ho adaye wo ma menchiro game management system na wabegina o say omo ye accreditation ma menchiro card na omo ye let me show you the card tax no omo ye no tax endru 15 Ghana. Bakumpo nuwa endru 15 Ghana. This what am I also putting up here? Tax. Where did they go? Yes. Oh, I picked the wrong thing. Sorry. All right. My team just sent me the tax. I'm also fan on Asante Bediatuo. Why once anwa mo na Ghana onwa. Whoa. Sammy catch them. And number 2 na mo hye ebechi na mudi atem. Kwasi afo jo Mahama na amo musika ubedem a rebe ho. Wo. Hwe tax no mo ye ni 4.5 million tax ni. Ade no mo ye de ma mo ni. O say card embedded you see omo de chip asheb tax ni. We no mo di 4.5 million dollars on. Why saying Debia na wo te shen ochen bronya froye why shen na ngwa wo nim ngwa wo tiri ho ne nsan why shen debia wo bright why say anwa mo ase e na nkwase ase no matena radio so di sa boys we di Mahama tem indirect omo tena radio so no mo sre Mahama kwase campaign betuma be di president tax renew $4.5 million. And the busa was a tax, no. Masa sika also ubuofu. Wabasa se fula bottle. Ubuofu. And we sit here and we entertain these people. Oh my dear, tax renew. We no spend 4 point. Omode na esoso no. And no bogesa omko Germany na anko ye na omode so omo jeans no. Eno no omode so ohun esro de no. De so jeans no omo tututu kwatie no sankofo no omo key holder ni bi no mo de sauce momo boga for mo dis dof ne eye cologne ne eye Berlin for boges no sa dade na yede so ene no mo de so eye ne small mo $4.5 million obetena TV so catch a game management system wo te brofo chen wo ni book chen obi wa obodu fiance ele wonyo rubber abetina waka say game management system ye jimi yatia ubedem odie oni na mo ye my lord please my lord lawyer Nkutagine did which ubedem
My lord, it's me. Sorry, my lord, it's I. It's I, lawyer Nkutagine. Please, my lord, can you give me a time I explaining things to you? The case is old case. It's 1978, 28th century, the case. But it's not now the case. Thank you, my Lord. Yes, please, my Lord. My Lord, it's me. Sorry, my Lord, it's I. It's I. It's I, Lawyer Nkutajimi. Please, my Lord, can you give me a time I explaining things to you? The case is old case. It's 1978, 28th century, the case. But it's not now the case. Thank you, my Lord. Yes, please, my Lord.
Oh, Philip is so, or Pemasa brutal. But Otumika say, hey, boy, he's a very crazy boy. You people should talk to him. Father, don't talk to me. You are my father. Father, oh, father, do what is right. Father, you have entertained nonsense in parliament too much. Cut that nonsense. Let them cut it short. Stop this boys. Instill some discipline in parliament. Speaker, oh, speaker. Father, my boy, Father, I wanted, Father.
The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, among the people of Agogo. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari. Enti. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa ubejari
endi father obi say toilet move with kid economic waste kid no toilet move economic waste father ujari wia say ujari wia obene oni wia ubejari father oh ujari wia say obene father I so obene dia ene ba wia say father oh father ujari wia say oni wia ubejari father me feel o Father, the
lives of the people of in all, among the people of Agogo. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari.
Oh, yeah, we give it to we give it brutal. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we are the toilet, we are better. They are going to say toilet. Speaker, they make a job so we are speaker. Who gary we are go toilet obejare speaker me boa ene ye djuma no Bawumia we Jimmy bruta area Mahamadu we Jimmy bruta so gary we are go toilet we are obejare yaka just go toilet we njare speaker so gary we are go toilet and I njare go toilet
the lives of the people of Agogo. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa.
Oko toilet ubejari enyasa or the city bi be show but we were fucking rough. Bawumia me see or your old model or your robot on so guys say ujari wie na oko toilet you ubejari enyasa or the city bi be show. Bawumia e hona hu robot the robot symptoms the hona hu steady video the pa or career or city bi show and near 1972 manufacturing default bi wo ho hwe omo default bi omo da ho update we
the lives of the people Usori na uko toilet uya ubejwari enyasa. Ubejwari. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejwari enyasa. Ubejwari. Enti. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejwari enyasa. Ubejwari. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejwari enyasa. Ubejwari.
You're a Windows or your old machine or a Windows project. Windows 98 to say Windows 92. Or kind of this be sure any update default no I Bawumia we Jimmy Bruta Omega Kevin Taylor ye di power dey be yo overpower Kevin Taylor dey nyatu me am den e dey na my mo candidate na Jimmy na me cheche mu say or default or some deficiency bi wo ho update na onya na Windows 98 udware wia ogo toilet a obedware ente sa no sere he ho na me che se ho na problem no wo toilet fascinate Bawumia oka toilet wonsa na ni age me hu obi a oka nyanchon ana toilet wonsa na why so excited the way otumi did some kind of seriousness edi toilet ho nkomo no ebi ni ho nkomo no Bawumia every time bia odi ebi no nkomo bia aggression kakra wom de bia ni abre ene sere on blanket. I just don't get what he has seen about toilets, how he's so interested in the bini. Like everywhere he passes baby obekobia and he wants to talk about toilets. Like o take time no more power na and he sometimes otumisha suit no akodi toilet one dance here. Bawumia Mahamadu otumisha suit no akodi toilet one dance here Bawumia.
Your Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I invite you to spare a moment to walk through with us the length and breadth of this country and see what just in a sneak view we are about to show you, a video documentary that introduces today's presentation.
Just see black and white, world from way.
Under the urban project, 5,000 toilets are being built there. The government of Ghana household toilet program, we're building 1,900 toilets there, and rural sanitation model and strategy program, 40,348 toilets serving 3,000 communities. And then under the urban sanitation pilot project, 21,332. So under the Toilet for All program, at least 109,000 household toilets have been constructed, benefiting 856,000 people. This is quite remarkable. And because of all of this investment that has been made in the toilet.
Video room, yes room. But I know sign language, you know. Bawumia got toilet or say. Yeah. Mama no sign language, you know. Bawumia bought to part of 50 years suit. Toilet to PowerPoint. Bawumia got toilet for my man say. That's yeah. It go for you Jimmy. Hey, video review. Bawumia got toilet here. My man sign or you know. Sign language, you know. Toilet to go there never fellow.
Your Excellencies, Honorable Minister.
We have about 6 projects under the Toilets for All policy. We have built 28,485 household toilets. 12,972 toilets have been built. Then there's ongoing construction of the gas slip project. 5,000 toilets are being built there. The government of Ghana household toilet program, we're building 1,900 toilets there, and rural sanitation model and strategy program, 40,348 toilets serving 3,000 communities. And then under the urban sanitation pilot project, 21,332. So under the Toilet for All program, at least 109,000 household toilets have been constructed, benefiting 856,000 people. This is quite remarkable.
Sign language, my brother. 88,000 toilets. When you tell you call your new ye, Jimmy, more people before. It's a graveyard. But me aga toilet bi ma minister toilet ai na na me sign language move for toilet de mo asa and na say na kroma and slay queens no say we shall nyonko slay queen I'm going to so na minim na nkesi di man ke mbre ai say see there gazi I say cheese like a picture and like a bowl pencil gazi na say muti restaurant na say bia mo be say mo ko twa mo to because na toilet de mo gazi ya mo ni ye nkofu nanti ebia be say ko mo amaboko set na be say mo konne no inta say be say mo konne ya na maka say you want to please I want to say na be nya yen sua sign language na ni ma ni ko hia na so mo konne ya ye hu so mo konne odwa o se kevi krasiri inti say I say open intama o se fast me yebu dwa me inti say so bi che no ka say that's the yum ya that's no and shall I just serious no that's I we are sign language no so show be no so that's I say ya ya kakra I na so show be na say or be so just ya ba wo say I go wonder you will die.
We are going to turn the whole country upside down. One by one.
Well, how will you do it?
Well, we will die and they will bury us.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.